Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that it has been such a long time. I've been moving and now I'm moved. I'm still kind of organizing and setting up, but it's been such a long time and I really wanted to get a video up for you. So today's video will be using the Masquerade palette from Juvia's place. It is ginormous. Like, this thing is bigger than my head. But the colors are so stunning. I have been waiting to play with it with you guys. So if you want to see how to do this fun, bright, festive, I guess you could be festive, I don't know. So this bright, fun, crazy look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm not really sure what kind of a look I'm going to create. I think I'm going to... I don't know, I'm just gonna jump in with Burkina. I'm gonna kill all of these names, just to let you know. It is this brown one here. And I'm going to just start placing that ever so slightly into the crease. Gonna be my transition shade, I guess you can say. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Something colorful, because it is a very, very colorful palette. So now I think I'm going to go in with this dark blue shade here called Chi. And I'm putting it on a MAC 239. And I'm going to start placing this into the outer corner here. And I'm just going to keep it in the outer corner. I'm going to do kind of a little wing with it. Dipping back into that same color. Apologize for the light contrast changing. I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just winging it, guys. I apologize that it has taken me so long to upload a new video. As some of you may have known, I have been in the process of moving. So we have all of our stuff at the new house. I've still been cleaning up the old place a little bit. And we're still setting up, you know, it's a process. I hate moving, it is such a process. So on my same brush, I'm just gonna take my color switch and I'm gonna take off some of that blue. Actually, I should be using my Juvia's Place brushes. So I'm going to take the 002 small definer brush for this next shade. And I'm going to use the shade, I'm going to go in with Dahlia, this one right here. And this is going to go kind of smudged into this one here. But I'm not bringing it all the way to the outer section, because I want there to be a definition of different colors here. Back in with Dahlia, just to do the same too in this eye. I don't know if you can hear, but my furnace just kicked in. I will show you guys a tour of like my new beauty room here as soon as I do my weekly makeup for this coming week. I haven't done it in a couple weeks because all my makeup has been packed up, and now that I kind of have it out of a box, I can do another shot my stash and kind of show you guys what I have for setup. Now I'm going to go in with the shade right here called Mali. I have been dying to jump in to this green. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. And the same thing, I'm just going to continue dragging colors all the way across my lid. I'm not sure how it's gonna look at the end, but I want to use as many of these colors as I can because they are all so beautiful. I want to blend it into the following, like the previous color a little bit. Just so there's no like super harsh lines. I don't think there's enough definition between the dark blue and the light blue. So what I think I'm going to do, I just keep using the same brush and my color switch, in case you guys are wondering. I'm going to go in with Masquerade right here. It is this purple one. And I'm going to try to put that over top of the dark blue in this outer corner, just so that these colors look a little different. They were looking too similar, I think. Okay. And now for the inner section of my eye. I don't know, I really want to try this pink here. I don't know if it's going to go with it, but this pink, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it has this like shift of a sparkle in it. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but it is so pretty. So I'm going to throw that on the inner portion. Got all these cool colors. Now I'm going to add some pink. Same to the other eye. This is such a fun look. So rainbowy and bright. Fun. Okay, now I'm going to grab a different brush here. Hang on. So on the bottom, I'm just going to mimic the exact same colors in the same order that I have on the top. And instead of raising this palette every single time and putting it back on my lap to grab this mirror, I'm just going to keep it on my lap just to make it move on a little quicker. So we're going to do the purple, blue, green, pink onto the bottom. Starting with the purple here. I'm going to use the same brush, but I will be wiping it with the color switch. And now we have the blue. Excuse my beautiful faces that I make when I do this. Whew, got some powder in my eye. It burns. Now we have the green. And last but not least, we have the pink. Okay, I feel like something around this outer edge needs to be blended a tad. So actually on just my clean Tom Ford brush, well, it's not really clean. I had some of that initial brown shade on it. I'm just going to ever so carefully blend out around this edge here. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit of that beginning brown color that we used in the in the crease to do this. Just a bit. And I'm also going to diffuse the line along the bottom. For my inner corner as well as my face highlight, I'm going to be jumping into the Nubian Loose Highlighter. I have touched it, but I have not actually put this on my face yet. So I'm really excited. Getting some stuff fly up. It comes in a sifter like so. It's super pretty. I'm going to take it, excuse me a minute. I'm going to take it on the same little smudger brush that we did the lower lash line with. I'm just going to get some on it, and I'm going to pop it right in this inner corner, right on top of some of this pink here. I don't know if my camera's picking that up. It looks very, very pretty. And what the hell, I'm gonna throw a little bit right under the brow bone. Because we all want a little lifted brow bone, don't we? Ooh la la. I'm going to quickly, actually, before I quickly jump off and finish my eyes, mascara, and all that jazz, we're gonna throw this shit right on my face. So I'm going to dip in with my Real Techniques brush. Get some on there. Oh, a lot of powder comes off of there. And hopefully, ooh, hot damn. That is, wow. That is quite the highlight. This is super, super pretty. Let's do the other side. Ooh, I think I got too much on my brush there. Ooh, I got too much on my brush. I put a lot. It is a loose highlighter, so my brush just like grabbed it all. Let's see if I can't blend that in a bit. Because it's blingy. It is beautiful though. You know what the hell, we're going all out. Let's just put this all over. Look, like it is so insanely blinding. Oh my god. We need some. We need some there too. I don't know if my camera, if my light is picking up this highlight. I really hope it is. Because it is so pretty. Anyways, I'm going to jump off camera and finish my eyes. So if you'll just, oh, excuse me. We're done. All right, so I need to fix these lashes because they look a little fucked up. I don't know. I've been fighting with these lashes for seriously 15 minutes. They're pissing me off. They feel uncomfortable. They're a set of lashes from Pure Cosmetics. Now, normally I really like their lashes. I don't remember what this one in particular is called, but man, it is driving me nuts. I cannot get it to sit properly. But anyways, enough about the lashes. This is the eyeshadow. So I really, really like how this look came out. Let me give you a close-up. I love the colors. They're so bright. Ah, I love it. Anyways, on my lips, I want to talk about, I've got this little guy by Pat McGrath. This is in the shade Omi, or Ami, I'm not sure. It is just a beautiful, beautiful nude. It is what I'm wearing today. I figured the look is so bold and out there that I wanted to pair it with a nude lip. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this super bright, I don't know, kind of reminds me mermaidy, or maybe Care Bears, I don't know. My Little Pony? I don't know, it reminds me of something like that. Anyways, guys, until next time, I hope you have a great day. Please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And now I'm just rambling, so see you all next time.